Hey, what's going down, YouTube? Hey, we got another one today. We got another one from Alfa Western wear. This here's the Python print, all black with the red bottoms. I did have to put them down for pre-order, and I just got them. It took maybe like about, I want to say no more than 2 weeks. Their website does say that it'll take 1 to 5 weeks. I think they're making them as they get the orders in. So as soon as you put your order in, they'll probably put them in production, and then you'll get them soon. It didn't take me no 5 weeks, but yeah, this whole box is all black. It don't have no letterings on it, where it's made or anything, but it does have the shoe size tag. The style, again, it doesn't have any width, just says size 10. Let's take a look at them right quick. Let me open this box up. Alright, so these do come individually wrapped, just like the last pair. So I imagine everything's going to be the same inserts. So let me unwrap them so you guys can see them right quick. Alright, fellas, this is what we're looking at. Matte black, brown outsole, leather outsole. Print, this is print. And this here what I was telling you about the last time. The pull tabs do have the same texture as the vamp, unlike the last ones. It's no big deal, but still, take a look at up close to the print. This is cowhide, Python print over cowhide. Let me show you the back right quick. Same deal, to a texture. Little focus though. Give me a second right quick. There we go. Alright. So again, and also let me show you the bottom right quick. So the bottom is, it appears to be red on the ads they're showing, but it's more like a burgundy varnish type, and I'm sure all this is gonna wear off when you start stepping on. So again, no logo in the bottom like the last pair, but we do got double stitching. So hey, yeah, double stitching on there. Not much I can show you. Let me show you some right quick though. The inside doesn't say much. It got the size in Mexican size, made in Mexico. It's supposed to be size 10, say size 28, and it show all the materials used. Everything is leather. The inside look great. Everything's black inside. Even the probably can't see, but the outsole, everything is black. So there we have it, fellas. Let me give you guys a quick on feet. Oh, and they do smell like leather. Still no chemicals. Alright. One more time. Let me give you on feet right quick. Alright, so these do fit just a little bit tighter than the last pair. And it just took a little more effort to put on. But once they're on, they fit about the same as the last pair. It's just getting your foot past the shaft. And yeah, they are just a little bit tighter, but you know, they're recommended to be as firm as a handshake. So that's there. The back heel is lifting up, you know, enough what it needs to, and it just feels like they're gonna fit just right after we break them in. So these are definitely gonna be on feet next time I go out. Rock them. Hopefully the fit will be there. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, so this is what I'm having to do. I'm gonna put some steam in the boot because at first I thought they were a little too tight, but now I realize it's more than just a little too tight. So wearing these for a while could tire your foot out, and that's what was happening. So let me put a little steam. Again, the last pair, the ostrich feet pair, perfect. But these, let me do that right quick. I'll get back at you guys.